Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you the latest update on veteran broadcaster Bryant Gumbel's health. The 77-year-old television legend who has been making headlines this week after reports of a sudden medical emergency in New York City. According to TMZ, Bryant Gumbel was rushed to a local hospital in Manhattan around 9 p.m. on Monday, the 20th of October 2025. After suffering what was described as a medical emergency. The former Today co-host was taken from his apartment building by ambulance and, as of Tuesday, October 21, he remains hospitalized. A family member told TMZ that Gumbel is okay, but did not share further details about what exactly happened or what condition he is being treated for. Bryant Gumbel began co-anchoring NBC's Today Show in 1982, where he became one of morning television's most respected and recognizable figures. He left NBC in 1997 and later joined CBS, hosting The Early Show and producing multiple news specials. For over 25 years, Gumbel also hosted HBO's Real Sports with Bryant Gumbel, a Peabody Award-winning program known for its in-depth storytelling and investigative features. The show ended in 2023, marking the conclusion of one of the longest and most respected careers in broadcast journalism. Back in 2009, Bryant Gumbel publicly revealed that he had undergone surgery to remove a malignant tumor and part of his lung. Speaking on Live with Regis and Kelly, he explained, "They opened up my chest, they took a malignant tumor, and they took part of my lung, and they took some other goodies. The pathology on most of the stuff had been benign, but enough aggressive cells had escaped the tumor that it warranted some treatment, and I went through that, and it's done now." By 2010, Gumbel told People magazine he was free and clear and doing well, and he continued working for more than a decade afterward. Just a few months before his hospitalization, Gumbel appeared at the 2025 News and Documentary Emmy Awards to present his longtime colleague Al Roker with a Lifetime Achievement Award. Roker shared photos of the moment on Instagram, expressing gratitude and calling Bryant a dear friend. Less than a year before his own medical scare, Bryant's older brother, Greg Gumbel, also a respected CBS sportscaster, passed away at age 78 after a battle with cancer. Greg's family described him as a man who faced his illness with stoicism, grace, and positivity. Bryant Gumbel is still hospitalized in New York City following the medical emergency. His condition is reportedly stable, but no official diagnosis or cause has been disclosed. His family has asked for privacy as he continues to recover. Bryant Gumbel's resilience has defined much of his life, from overcoming lung cancer to leading one of television's most enduring careers. As fans and colleagues await further updates, many are sending prayers and well wishes for his recovery. We'll keep you updated as new information comes in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on public figures, health news, and Where Are They Now stories.